Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Bruno Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market. We're gonna break down the support, resistance, and trend line for the next week. That means next Monday to Friday. So as per our trading style or as per our analysis style, we have to start our analysis with weekly time frame first. Then we will start with daily. Then we can find out the entry on H4 or H1 time frame. So let's get back into weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, as you can see there, there is a long bearish movement from the weekly market. That means market is moving bullish from the last few week, and for the last week, that means for the last week market moves bearish. Okay, this is bearish movement from the last week. But if we want to talk about the trend, if you want to talk about monthly or yearly trend, as you can see there, market is rapidly growing up. That means there is a huge bullish market movement from the weekly time frame on average. So let's get back into daily time frame so we can find out our proper direction or proper path from the market. And as you can see there, in daily time frame, market is trying to go up from long time. And if I want to draw a trend line over here, as you can see there, market is following this trend line from the long time ago, and there is some few fake breakout. As you can see there, if I want to make sure that is our current resistance zone, and as you can see there, there is one fake breakout, two fake breakout, there is another fake breakout, and there is another fake breakout is around there. Okay, each and every time market just trying to break this structure, but it unable to break. As you know that currently there is lot of geopolitical issues running around the world, like Russia-Ukraine war and Middle East tension, mostly Iran and Israel war. Okay, so you have to keep your concern on those all of geopolitical issues, so you may overcome the trading stress. Okay, so let's get back into our H4 time frame to find out our proper path or direction, or find out our proper entry. Okay, so in H4, as you can see there is a lot of structure happened on the market, and if we want to draw proper resistance area around this particular zone, as you can see there is 1 2 3 4 time fake breakout happened around this area. And if I zoom out little bit more, as you can see there is a triangle flag pattern. Okay, and for now market is trying to move bullish. And if I want to go in H1 time frame, if I make zoom in little bit more, and if I want to remove all of H4 drawing, and you may see the particular movement of H1. And let's try support and resistance trend line perspective first. As you can see there is a support trend line, and if I want to draw the resistance trend line is around there. And from this trend line perspective, market is trying to go by, and before that we have to follow this trend. That means there is a pattern around this particular area. You may see that there is a pattern, so we have to break, or market have to break this structure before it go by. And if I want to show you more accurately, I need to make it smaller time frame, like more smaller time frame. As you can see there is M30 time frame right now, and there is also a trend line formatted in this particular area. So what we need to do, we need to wait till the breakout, and then we can take proper entry around this zone. Okay, so let's remove this and let's check the market from the support and resistance perspective. Okay, so if I want to draw support area, that means our latest support area, it may around this particular area. Okay, let me make it more accurate. So if I go H4, so I may found it properly. So if I want to draw it, okay, as you can see there, This is around that particular area. That means this is a strong support area. If I want to draw another support area, it may okay around this particular area. So I will explain that all briefly after drawing. Let me make it properly. Okay, it can be 35 zone. Okay, I'm sorry. As you can see there is our hourly support area. Okay, if I want to go back into H1 time frame, if I zoom out little bit more, as you can see there is our hourly support and resistance area. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is going to happen next? Okay, so as you can see there is a structure from our support and trend line area. So you may consider that area as what? As you may consider that particular area as entry zone. That means as per our entry area. And if it break this trend line, if it break this structure, so we will wait for a pullback till this particular area, then we can take a sell entry till 3 to 7 on area. Okay, and our if we want to take buy entry around this particular, that means this particular red area, red triangle area, we have to set our SL around this particular area. That means around this particular area, and our TP will be, first TP will be around this area and second TP will be around this particular area. That means all time high 3, 4, 7, 6 area. Okay, so hopefully all things clear now, and there is a lot of geopolitical issues are happening around the world, so you must have to keep your concern on geopolitical issues also. Okay, as per consider, there is a lot of geopolitical issues or geopolitical news and the Donald Trump or Middle East tension. We have completed successful attack on 3 nuclear sites in Iran. As you can see there, this will be big impact on gold market. Okay, and there is another news, and there is another news. Each and every moment the news are coming, so you have to keep your concern on this type of news also. Okay, hopefully all things clear now. For more query or for free entry, you may join our public telegram channel t.me/fxbillionhub. That's for today. Mr. Boom signing out.
Started with a dream and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned. Signals rolling in like a winning land. Riding waves of fortune across the sand.